Spanish is a great resource. Let me show you how it works. I like it most for verb conjugation. So you head to the website, you click verb drills here, and then what you can see is all the different tenses that you want to practice. So let's say you want to practice preterite tense conjugations, you want to practice regular verbs, you got those down okay, but you get mixed up with the stem changers. And so you click on stem changers, it will give you a little lesson here, a little reminder of how it works. But here's the cool part. Click to generate a quiz. You can choose 25 questions. No, I don't care about vosotros. Make a quiz, and here what it does is it asks me to conjugate all of these verbs. So you go through, you take the quiz, and you click submit my answers, and it will give you a grade. So if you're looking for a tool to just practice verb conjugations, Study Spanish is a good one.